So here's how to add Bluetooth to PC Windows 10. Start by right-clicking on this PC icon on your PC. Then, go to Properties at the end. As you can see, you will then be brought to the Settings page. Here, you can view your device specifications. Now, go back and open your Chrome browser on your PC. Then type in Intel Bluetooth driver in the search box. Open the first page from the results. Once you're here, check if the description matches your device specifications. Then, tap on Download as shown. Go back to the desktop and click on the search bar at the bottom left corner. Type in Bluetooth and other device settings and open the page. Over here, click on Add Bluetooth or other devices at the top. Then, choose the kind of device you want to add. For example, Bluetooth. You can now add a Bluetooth device to your PC from here. And that's it. You can now easily add Bluetooth to PC Windows 10.